Benash. Mae Declan Poole yng nghanol y mwd. Benash. Croes i'r llinell hannar. Bale i mewn i gwrs cosbi'r tîm cartra. A fe ddisgynnodd i Jordan Davies. Pwy arall fel arfer y blaenwr yn y lle iawn ar yr amser iawn i sgorio i 7fed gôl yng Cwpan Cymru y tymor yma. Grogan yn croesi tuag at y cwrt bach. Hannar cliriad. Yr ergyd yn cael ei rhwystro. Dim yn glir eto, gwaed am gico'r smotyn. Boedel at i'r llawr. Dim diddordeb gan Tom Owen. Cai Edwards yn y cylch canol. Benash. Camu ymlaen. Yn dofn i mewn i hannar y tîm cartra. Croesia Declan Poole. A peniad Harry Franklin sy'n ei gwneud i'n dwy. Taran o beniad gan rhif 12 Cei Connah. A'r Bale yn hedfan heibio i Ryan Goulston. Josh Williams i'w chymryd i. Williams yn rhoi'r arwydd. Crymanu'r Bale tuag allan. A peniad Benash. Fodfeddi dros y trawst. Nasa honna wedi bod i'w 6 modfedd yn is. Fysa'r gêm drosodd. Edwards ar draws at Harrington. Harrington tuag at y cwrt Cosby. Yn dal yn mynd, Ryan Harrington! Ac ar ôl 5 munud o'r ail hannar, mae'r gêm yn saff rwan. Ryan Harrington yn rhwydo am y 5 metro o'r tymor hwn. Awr wedi mynd y Bwccle. Dylan Roberts efo'r tafliad i mewn i gwrs Cosby Cei Connah. Ydy'r Bale ddim yn glir eto. Gyffyrddiad Jamie Reid. Max Moore! A gwiriad yn cario ergyd yr eilydd. Heibio i Andy Firth. A llygedyn o obaith i'r tîm cartra. Harrington efo'r bas dreiddiol o Jack Kenny. Kenny o amgylch Goulston ac yn adfer mantais yr ymwelwyr o 2 gôl. Jack Kenny yn canfod yr hwyd am y 3fed rownd o'r bron. A dim ond am gwta 2 funud oedd Bwccle nôl yn y gêm. Crydd yn cael ei tharo'n hir tuag at gwrs Cosby Cei Connah. Jamie Reid. Ergyd o bell! Yn gorfodi Andy Firth i wneud arbediad agorol. Eddie Clark yng nghanol y mwd. Camu ymlaen. Ar flaen i draed. Taro Bale ar draws Cai. At no Edwards. Hogan! A Ryan Goulston yn sicrhau nad oes na 5 gôl i'r ymwelwyr. Darod Luca Hogan honno'n dda. A mi oedd hi ar y targed.
Neil, tough conditions, but you got the job done comfortably in the end.
Yeah, look, you know, we're not going to come here and complain about the pitch, you know, because there's a lot of volunteers that put a lot of hard work into getting this game on today. Buckley obviously wanted to play at their home ground. They haven't had the opportunity to do that for a number of months, so you know we weren't going to come and complain about it. We were just going to try and get on with our job, because we've got to respect the hard work that a lot of volunteers at Buckley had done to get the pitch right. So it was going to pose us some challenges though, and today it posed us some challenges of being able to play in the manner that we'd like to play. However, we were able to do that on a number of occasions, and our moments of good quality from us probably made the game more comfortable than it looked like it was going to be in the first 20 minutes.
Asa, it was always going to be a tough afternoon.
Of course, yeah.
But your team gave it their all.
Yeah, listen, I'm proud of every one of them. As I said, in my opinion, they're the second best team in Wales, behind TNS. And we've come there, and listen, the result, people who's not here will look at the result and think, oh, they've been smashed. And to be fair, I think we've got a good account of ourselves. The difference is, to be fair to Connah's Quay, and I've got to hold my hands up and say and praise him, they were clinical in front of goal. the two strikers today, a little 1-2s, a little passing around, the crossing from Connah's Quay today. Listen, it's a difference, as I said, but we get an hour a week to train. These lads they're probably in twice a week, 2 hours a time. They can work on these bits of things where we haven't got them the lucky to do that. So as I said, it's I'm proud of my boys. They've done Buckley proud, they've done all the fans proud, and they say they've done themselves proud. They're all devastated in there. I thought, to be honest, when I walked in, I thought they'd be proud of themselves for the effort they've put in the fight, but they're all disappointed in there. So it shows you how well they've done when they're disappointed to losing to Connah's Quay. It shows you how much we were in the game, as I said, because I think personally myself it was a good 50-50 battle. Just little individual performances have won them the game, and that's credit to them. That's what they're there for, to do.
Good afternoon for you. Although you were playing down the muddy side, shall we say, in the second half, scored one and created one. Yeah, well, I didn't get much of the ball first half, funnily enough, and that was on the better side. But no, I'm always happy to get a goal and assist. You know, it always helps the team out, and I mean, we've been scoring lots of goals. We've had lots of good, different goal scorers this season. So no, I'm always happy to score and help the team. I think I'm right in saying that's 5 for you for the season now, and that you've scored them all away from home. I didn't know that, yeah. No, I think it is. That's my 5th one this season, yeah, and I think 10th assist as well. So no, yeah, I've had a good season so far. You know, we've still got a few games left in the league, and obviously now we're into the semi-final as well. So we'll have to see who we get, and hopefully I can get another one then.